spraying of DDT powder, only spraying of the DDT powder reduce the incidence of malaria by almost 60 to 70%. But as the widespread, excessive and successive use of DDT, this malaria parasite became resistant to this DDT powder. So this malaria control program, which was started in 1953, was failed. Then what started is they started to target the breeding places of the malaria. So wherever there is a stagnant water, water is collected, mosquito breeds there. So they started using the kerosene oil or a diesel oil, spraying of the DDT along with that, keeping the area clean, neat and tidy. Then burrows and pits, they were leveled so that water cannot stagnate there. They again started the use of chloroquine powder, chloroquine tablets. By this, the malaria came under control, but that was for a short period. Again, the cases of malaria in 1956, they started in large number. So the combined treatment of spraying of DDT, chloroquine tablet, environmental measures, all these measures started, and we targeted the malaria eradication program. So for this, government has provided lot of manpower, lot of funds, lot of equipments. But even if this all everything is provided, the person who were appointed, they were not at all working for this. They were not working. That's why this was failed. So in 1977, the well thought out program of malaria control program was started by taking in consideration with the three levels: presumptive treatment, then the radical treatment and the mass treatment. Means what? The government of India, even the WHO, has stated that whatever the cause of any fever, if the person gets a fever, whatever the cause of fever, that patient has to be treated as a positive case for malaria. So this is called as presumptive treatment, and that patient has to be treated with a DDT spray and the 600 milligram of tablet chloroquine. So all fever cases has to be given the tablet chloroquine. This was presumptive. So for this, malaria person was appointed. He used to collect the blood samples, peripheral blood samples. PS for malaria was seen under the microscope. If the positive is there, then the full-fledged 5 days treatment is given. That is called a radical treatment. Means how this tablet chloroquine has been given. The doses are 600 milligram tablets. 600 milligram tablet chloroquine is given on first day. After 24 hours, after 6 hours, again 300 milligram is given. After 24 hours, again 300 milligram. After 24 hours, again 300 milligram. So now the kit has been available in the market, is available in the market, called as Larago DS 2111. So this is the dose. 2 stat, 1 after 6 hours, 1 after 24 hours, and after 48 hours 1. So this is the complete treatment of the malaria. If this what we call as falciparum, this Anopheles mosquito, this OL vivax is there along with the falciparum. Then along with this chloroquine, primaquine tablets or sulfadoxine tablet is added. So this completes the malaria.